Hi friends, it's Donzella. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am making doing a different twist on irregular canned biscuits. I'm using these jumbo biscuits. Is what I have in my kitchen, but you can use whatever you have. These are just plain old canned biscuits, and I've taken those and turned those into a butter flatbread biscuit, which I'm enjoying with my own homemade blackberry jelly. So friends, what I did, I've heated butter in my pan and I'm taking my biscuits and I'm stretching them out thin. Just stretch them out really, really thin. You want your pan kind of on a low setting, not high, because you don't want to burn these. Just stretch them out thin enough. Okay, we'll put them in there just like that. And this is just a different take on canned biscuits. And you want to turn it over on both sides. And you have buttered on both sides. And I'm using real butter. This is not margarine because these are butter flatbread biscuits. It's just a twist on plain old canned biscuits, like so. And when you fry your biscuits, well, actually not frying them, but cooking them on top of your stove, this is what you get. And they're fluffy on the inside, soft. Just like that, friends. Very soft and tender on the inside. Yeah, stretched them thin. And they may take about maybe 10-15 minutes. Um, just depending if you're using the smaller biscuits, it won't take as long. So put them in there just like that. And they will rise. And when they brown on each side, you and then turn it over to the other. And you'll have this delicious butter flatbread biscuit. So we'll let those brown. And friends, if you like easy, budget-friendly recipes, I love for you to join me in my kitchen and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ms Donzella Cooks. I focus on easy, budget-friendly recipes because in today's world, we know groceries are quite expensive. So I like to look in my cupboard, look in my freezer, refrigerator, see what I have, and get creative. And friends, when you put together some simple ingredients and lots of love, your dish will come out delicious every time. And again, I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join me in my kitchen where together we can create some really easy, budget-friendly dishes and create some delicious meals our family will enjoy. And these do take a few minutes. You want them to cook thoroughly through. I was using just some large jumbo biscuits, nothing fancy, but this is all I had in my refrigerator. And so use what you have in your refrigerator, friends. That's the whole purpose of this. And I used I enjoyed it with my own homemade blackberry jelly. Blackberries grow wild in my yard, so I picked them and put them to good use and came out with some delicious homemade blackberry jelly. And they're browning, but not quite brown enough. I love cooking with just simple ingredients. And getting creative with what I have on hand. Take old recipes, put new twists on them, and just get creative in your kitchen and create dishes. Don't be intimidated by it. Like I said, just use simple ingredients and a lot of love. And friends, if you like easy meals, especially for those busy weeknights, or you have a family to feed and budget is tight, um, subscribe to my channel and let's get creative together. Okay, so when they start, I will turn them over like so. So, and there you have it, friends. These are your easy, simple butter flatbread biscuits. Make them on top of the stove. This is great for people that may not have access to an oven. A simple can of biscuits and come up with this creative twist on simple, inexpensive can of biscuits. Thank you again, friends, for joining me in my kitchen. If you like dishes like this, subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, and Ms Donzella Cooks. I'd love for you to join me. And have a blessed day, friends.